So, a very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear children. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So, we'll move further with our poem. Which poem? We had started with poem number 13, Earth Day by Jane Yolen. So, come on children, take out your textbooks and read with me with the paragraph 2. Before moving towards our paragraph 2, the paragraph 1 which we have studied in the part 1 will underline the new words, the spellings which will be little difficult for you. But if you break the word and learn, it will be very easy. Like you all might be knowing the spelling of earth and you should know E-A-R-T-H, earth. Then blade, B-L-A-D-E, very easy, blade. Then honey, H-O-N-E-Y, becomes honey. Then we have stick, stick, S-T-I-C-K, stick, okay. Then we have blood, B-L-O-O-D, blood. Then muscle. Now don't think that the spelling of muscle is hard. It is very easy. M-U-S-C is silent. L-E. M-U-S-C-L-E becomes muscle. Okay, we'll discuss in detail when we'll study the new words of this poem. Okay. Moving further with the paragraph 2. And just as I need every bit of me to make my body fit. Now what is the poet trying to say on behalf of the earth? As earth needs each and every bit. Which each and every bit? Which we studied in paragraph 1. Grass, stick and stone, trees. So as earth needs each and every bit. Why? To make fit. If you do not eat your daily lunch, dinner and healthy food, your body will be fit? No. So earth also needs each and every bit, everything to make fit. So earth and just as I need every bit, I means we human beings, we need each and everything from breakfast to dinner, right? We need healthy food every day. In the same way, earth needs grass and stone and tree. What does the earth need? Grass and stone and tree, which we studied in the paragraph 1. And things that grow here naturally. Many things on this earth grow naturally. So earth needs everything, right? So we'll read this again. And just as I need every bit, I means we human beings, we need every bit of me to make my body fit. For our fitness, we need everything. In the same way, earth needs grass and stone and tree and things that grow here naturally. Easy. Moving towards third paragraph. That's why we celebrate this day. Now, for the importance of the earth, we celebrate this day. That's why we celebrate this day. That's why across the world we say. That's why across the world, what do we say? As long as life, as dear as free. I am the earth and the earth is me. What do we say? We all are part of the earth. I am the earth and the earth is me. So, that's why we celebrate this day to show the importance of the earth. That's why across the world we say, as long as life. That means, जब तक हमारी life है, as long as life. As dear as free. As dear as free. I am the earth and the earth is me. Okay. So what do you understood by second paragraph? जैसे हमको fit रहने के लिए सब कुछ चाहिए to eat, and in the same way for the fitness of the earth also needs everything, right? So remember the name of the poet, Jane Yolen. Okay, do not forget the name of the poet, Jane Yolen. So now I'll show you a short video related to this. See the video carefully and listen to the words, okay?
And just as I need every bit of me to make my body fit, so earth needs grass and stone and tree and things that grow here naturally. That's why we celebrate this day, that's why across the world we say, as long as life as dear as tree, I am the earth and the earth is me.
Okay children, I hope you have understood the poem. Read the entire poem, all the 3 paragraphs at your home. This will be a homework to read the poem, and one more homework. In the poem there was a line, that's why we celebrate Earth Day. So find out the date. When do we celebrate Earth Day? Okay. Find out the date. When do we celebrate Earth Day? Okay. Now we'll meet in the next video lesson. Till then, take care, keep smiling, God bless you.